In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar on the side in Outlook. This feature is particularly useful for those who like to stay organized and have a visual of their appointments and tasks available at a glance while working through emails and other tasks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily toggle your calendar on and off, making your productivity soar as you juggle meetings, deadlines, and events throughout your busy day. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to open your Outlook application on your desktop. Once you're in, go ahead and locate the toolbar at the top of your window. Here, you'll see several tabs including File, Home, Send, Receive, and so forth. But the one we're interested in for this task is View. The View tab is your go-to spot for customizing your Outlook layout and optimizing it to suit your workflow preferences. Click on the View tab and you'll notice that a new set of options appear just beneath it on the toolbar. Among these options, one particular feature you want to find is labeled My Day. Now, this might not stand out immediately, but it's denoted by a small calendar icon with an arrow. The My Day feature is incredibly handy. It allows you to integrate your daily schedule directly into your Outlook experience without having to toggle back and forth between separate screens. With the My Day option in view, the next step is to click on the arrow associated with it. This action should open a side panel on your Outlook interface. This sidebar is where the magic happens. It displays a condensed yet comprehensive view of your calendar right alongside your inbox. It really helps in planning your tasks and managing your time efficiently. Now you're almost there. The final action to make sure your calendar is visible on the side panel is to click Show. This final click will ensure that your calendar stays visible as you navigate through your emails and tasks, providing an uninterrupted overview of your day or week. Remember, this side panel can be adjusted according to your needs. If at any point you want to close it or change views, you can simply go back to the My Day arrow and toggle the display options. This flexibility allows you to keep your digital workspace as minimal or as information-packed as you need it to be. And just like that, you've added a calendar on the side in Outlook. This small change can dramatically improve how you organize your daily tasks and manage your schedule. Take a few moments to explore this feature and customize it to fit your personal or professional planning style. By having this calendar at your fingertips, you're one step closer to mastering time management, enhancing your productivity, and reducing stress throughout your day. Enjoy using Outlook with this handy tool, and be sure to share this tip with colleagues who might benefit from having their schedule at a glance.